Okay, here's another little video for load shedding. Not load shedding, but severe periods of cloudy conditions and rain. So if you want to change your setting, click the gear, system work mode, and then this down arrow here. That brings you to the most important screen, which is this one. And what's important is actually these different areas. So although grid charge is on, it'll only charge up to 40% during non-sun. So if your solar isn't working, your sun isn't out, the battery will only hit 40% on grid charge. So if you want to, for example, say, well, I actually want that to be higher, then you click in there and then you use the bottom arrows to change it or down. But these percentages here are quite important to understand how far your battery will charge up without the sun. And that's generally okay. But if you really had a sunny day and lots of load shedding, 40% may not be enough for you. You might want to make that higher. But yeah, grid charge in days of long shade and sun and no sun are important. And this is very extreme because it'll charge the battery up to that percentages at those times. And as soon as the sun comes back, we'll take off most of this grid charge. Maybe leave on a night grid charge, but the battery percentage is very important, and the time slot on which the battery will charge on grid power. So just to know, and remember, once you change something, click on the tick to save everything, and then go back to your main screen.